Alright, Jerry Service Center here again this morning, Saturday morning. We're doing some service on some Ford Rangers at 3.2. Oil leak and loss of power. On next Ranger here we're doing a service. But what we're doing also is we're working on a CRV with oil leaks and transmission problem and also defective suspension parts. So on this CRV, it have some one cradle bushings, oil leaks. So we have the technician removing the cradle lamp, and as we remove the cradle lamp, I'll show you. This is called the cradle bushing. It gives you noise in rough roads that carry a large and a small, and the ball joint hooks up in that unit there. So this is the ball joint. Let me show you from a different angle. So that's connected to the control arm. On this particular CRV we have some oil leaks. It's a little bit difficult to understand from here, but it's under the vehicle. We have some oil leaks. And this is called the stabilizer link. This also wear and give you a noise on rough road. And on this stabilizer bar, you will see that the oil leak has damaged the stabilizer bar rubber. So if you watch close, you see how the rubber is swollen out. So we have to replace that rubber, repair the oil leak. The steering rack in this is leaking, so we'll be replacing our new steering rack, and also the transmission has a leak. We'll be changing the seals in the torque converter to solve that leak. So that's it with that CRV. We work on from the Audi 1, Audi 2, Audi 4, Audi 5, even the new model RM CRVs, which is the 2010, 12 right up. We work on all of them. So if you have problems with Hondas, give us a call. We have all the parts, fixing the leak and fixing the noise. Now we're going to put in that bushing, and let me show you how that